pass inside. Muscling his way in and gets that one to go. Nice crossover. Pero masyadong malakas at tira ng Bulacan dyan. A stolen basketball for Bulacan. Opposite. No good. Hawak ng Albay ngayon ang bola. Pero nakakuha ng Bulacan. For two. That is good. 2-1 in favor of Bulacan. Albay naman ngayon. 3 on the shot clock. Lumakad pa sa ere. Pero hindi na ipasa matira. Shot clock at 12 seconds. Bulacan, lamang pa rin ng isa. 3 on the shot clock. Pero nakitaan ng foul ang Team Albay, giving them their first team foul. Kaya't nandiyan ang mga officials natin para masiguradong maayos ang laro natin and giving you guys better sportsmanship upon playing basketball. Lays it up. That is good for Team Bulacan, giving them a 2-point lead. We'll get that crack. And that is a push for Team Black. Pinasa, nakakuha ng Bulacan. Umangat, Blanca naman ng Team Albay. Samantala, na-iskora na naman ng Bulacan ng Albay doon. Tumira ng 2, wala. And that is a foul call for Team Bulacan, giving them their second team foul. From the outside, looking inside, medyo mahina ang tira na yun. Team Bulacan, 5 on the shot clock, and that is a complete swoosh. Albay, no good at that. Oh, miscommunication on that pass. And we have a timeout called by Team Albay. The score is 5-1, still in favor of Team Bulacan, with 6 minutes and 48 seconds remaining for this game. Samantala, ang susunod naman natin na bakbakan ay ang Zone 4 versus Zone 9. Zone 4, white uniform. Zone 9, black. That's a good back shot for Bulacan, extending their lead to 5. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining. That is an offensive foul on White, giving them their second team foul. Should have been a give and go. 5 on the clock from the elbow. That is good. Lumolobo na ang kalamangan ng Bulacan dito. Samantalang Albay naghahanap ng sagot sa mga puntos ng Bulacan. Hawak muli ng Bulacan ang bola. Mula sa labas. Sila pa rin ang nakakuha at nakakuha na rin ng lucky bounce with that shot. And that's a double foul for Albay at Bulacan. Giving Albay their fourth team foul. Meanwhile, ang Bulacan naman ay makakuha ng team foul na tatabla sa Albay. Both teams now have 4 team fouls from the outside. No way near that mark. What a touch pass! 9-1 ang ating score. Pump fake on the right side. Hawak na naman ang Bulacan ng bola. Pero nabitawan. Umangat. 1 point for Albay on that shot. Hindi makasagot ang Bulacan John. Pero nakuha na naman nilang bola. What a fake! And that is an easy basket plus a foul. We will have a bonus shot for Bulacan. Binigyan na nila ang Albay ng kanilang fifth team foul. And that one goes in. Umilalim naman ang Albay. Sila pa rin nakakuha ng bola. That is good. Score is 11-3. 8-point lead for Team Bulacan. From the corner, no good. Shot clock winding down. They did not manage to get that shot to back in and got the shot clock violation. Pinasa sa ilalim, but deflected. Bulacan pa rin na may hawak ng bola. Two minutes and 30 seconds remaining. Touch pass. Basket counts once again for Bulacan. 6 na ang team fouls ng Albay. Isa na lang. They will be held liable for a penalty situation. Sampu na ang kalamangan ng Bulacan. Iba ang pinapakita ng Team Bulacan sa labanang ito. 2 minutes ang natitira sa ating laban. From the outside once again. No. One minute and 50 seconds remaining. Albay, naghahanap pa rin ng puntos. Yun, nakakuha sila doon. Samantala, Bulacan, napakabilis na sumagot. 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining. Winasa na naman sa ilalim. Pero, napakabilis naman makuha ng bola ng Team Bulacan with a steal. Bulacan, wala. Nice ball fake, pero masyadong malakas ang tira. they managed to get that rebound and score with that bucket. Tumira, Bulacan, wala. Nakuha na naman ng Albayan. Nakuha ka nilang rebound pero bigla ka. Asking for a foul, but it was a clean block. Albay naman. Nasa labas pero pumasok sa loob. Nakuha na naman ang Bulacan ng oras. Pwede na nilang ubusin ang oras dito para makuha ang panalo. Tumira, wala pa rin. And this will be off the hook, which gave Bulacan the win with 14-5. Congratulations, Zone 3, Team Bulacan.